Winegard RV here in Moncton, coming at you with a fresh arrival, something we've been waiting for. 2022 Tellaro, made by Thor Motor Coach. It's a B-class and it's got all the goodies. This unit is sitting on a ProMaster chassis with the Pentastar 3.6 liter engine, gas, coupled up to a 6-speed automatic transmission. We got a Thule awning. I only took it out partly because it's very windy today. We got an LED light underneath. You got your bike rack out back. There's one door open. Trailer hitch is there. This is your wet shower or wet toilet. Shower, everything just wipes down. There's of course the drape right there. We got a 30 amp power connection. This does have a solar panel system already installed. I got the generator going right now. Got their sewer connection, your docking light, city fill, water fill, propane, in fantastic condition. You got the AC up top. This window right here. The outside does look fantastic. Let's go in. Battery disconnect, that is your solar panel system. Walk it in. Nice dining table. Love the lighting in here. This unit does have 13,800 miles on it. Backup camera. This is packed with everything you need. Microwave, fridge, sink. Look at the beautiful European style cabinets. All right, and these sofas, they come together and they make a very nice, comfortable bed. Cup holder out here on the end that's movable. That TV can swivel out as you wish. We got roller shades throughout. Another window right here. There's that window. Roller shades. And back here is your bathroom. Voila. Absolutely awesome. Not the size of a Class A motorhome, but very maneuverable. Excellent on fuel. You can park this anywhere. Bring your doggy with you. There's for the doggy. Or the cat. Control panel right here. Let's take a look at the inside of that awning. There you go. And beautiful seats. All right, come on down to 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. I hope to see you soon.
If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.